Good morning, everyone. I am here with the one, the only Cubicle King, and we're asking people on the streets to take the Tush Test on these two chairs that he brought out of his vault today. Hi there, we're back with Linda, and she's about to take the Tush Test. Linda, what do you think about this first chair?
I think it's nice and firm and gives good support. Okay, this is definitely a purple chair. And it's cushier than the other one.
Okay.
And the back is flexible. I like that.
Frank, what do you think about this first test chair?
Well, it feels okay. Feels good.
Well, let's pick it up from that chair and let's go over to this purple chair, see how you like it.
Royal purple chair.
Looks good already. My tush does feel better in this one, I can say. It's a lot more even, like a couple of hard spots on the other chair.
Okay.
This is
Very good. That's what
very
they
nice.
call
It's comfortable.
even weight distribution. young
Very
man.
nice.
And there you have it, another successful tush test here in front of the log cabin at the Lady Lake Chamber of Commerce. I'm the Cubicle King.